What's happening YouTube boy Tech TRX back in another video, and we're looking at another immersive LED for your TV. Great for gaming. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Make sure to check out the links below as well if you want to get one of these. So let's go ahead and check this out. Here we go. This one is from LytMi, and basically this is the HDMI 2 sync box light kits, and you're gonna install it behind your TV so that you can use it for gaming or maybe watching movies as well. Here we go. Let's open this up. The first thing that we see here in the box is the user manual. There's also a bunch of clips when you're installing these on the back of your TV right there. There's also the LED right there, and then the sync box right here. There you go. Some HDMI cables. Boom. The plug-in for the sync box. Let's take off some plastic here. You also get two sets of LEDs right there that you get out of the box. Now we have our TV right here. This is a 55-inch TV, and basically we're just going to install the clips that they have here. The clips also has a 3M backing, so we're just going to peel that off. And this also is curved. You can pretty much flex it like that so that you can place it on framing just like what I have here, where it kind of bends a little bit. This is also good if you have a curved TV. Now before you do this, make sure to clean the back of your TV as well. And then once you clean the dust off the back of your TV, you can just gently press it on there, making sure that all the adhesives are on the TV itself. I would start off with the corners first, making sure that those are good to go. They also have the straight piece clips for the in-betweens. Again, pretty easy to install. It's all stuck there with the 3M tape. Depending on how big your TV is on the horizontal part, I would put two straight clips on the horizontal parts, and I would just put one straight clip in between the vertical parts. This way your LED won't sag in between the TV as well. Once the clips are on, I would leave it for a little bit, maybe an hour or so that the tape are actually on there properly. And then I would install the LEDs. The LEDs are really easy to install. I would start off in one of the bottom corners, so just pick one left or right, it doesn't matter. Just be aware of where you put it so that when you hook it up on the TV module, you'll be able to get the right configuration. Here's a closer look of how it's clipped on there. Pretty much you're just gonna put it on that long side first and then clip the little part after. Honestly, the LEDs are probably going to be really long, so they have parts where you can cut it. So make sure to only cut it on those parts, or else you're going to ruin the LEDs. The TV module also has an HDMI in, HDMI out, two USB slots for the LEDs, and a power slot, so to power it up. At this point, all we're doing is just plugging in the LEDs on the TV box. We're plugging in the HDMI to the TV. And then we're gonna plug in a device, in this case the Nintendo Switch, onto here as well. Here's a closer look of what it looks like once it's all plugged in and ready to go. First thing we need to do after this is also install the app. Make sure to register as well and use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, or else it won't work. Once you're done logging in, it should detect your Neo lights, as you can see here, and then we're just gonna press add device. Make sure we're just going to connect it to the right Wi-Fi, like I said, 2.4 gigahertz, and it should do everything for you. Let's hit finish and look at the features as well. First thing we need to do here is set up the light as well. As you can see here, we're just going to hit the light strip, and then we're going to select if it's on the left side or the right side, depending on where you put your neon box. And then it's going to ask us to confirm the lights that is currently on the TV, and then we're just going to confirm that it is the one that we see, making sure that it's actually in sync with your TV. Once you're good to go, make sure to hit done, and then let's look at the features as well. As you can see, it has the screen and the music options here. The screen is obviously what we're gonna look at later. The music right now is all from the app, so we're just gonna look at different scenes here as well and show you how well it does. The best part about this is if you don't want to watch TV, you can just use this to listen to the music, and it'll actually change the lights and it'll be sync with the music. Here you could change the brightness as well and different colors if you want just solid colors. And of course, if you want to use this with Alexa and Google Assistant, you'll be able to do that with this as well. Now let's do a test for the immersion light and how well it reacts to it. Right now we're testing it out watching Marvel's Infinity War, and pretty much when you are watching a movie you can set it to three different options. One is weak, normal, and high. I have it set to high right now, so it's really nice and bright. So you could see it's clearly representing the colors around the frame. It's quite nice actually. Now let's go ahead and test it out playing some Super Smash here. As you can see, the LEDs is very responsive depending on what's going on in your screen, and it's not delayed at all when it's changing colors. I was very surprised actually on how well this does. Even the colors during battles is really nice. This is one of those games that has a lot of colors, and as you can see, it's able to detect all that, and you'll be able to have that immersive experience. I love the how it changed scenes here, and as you can see, the colors are just changing with it, and it's very beautiful. Now, if you want to get one of these, I'll have an affiliate link down below, and it helps out the channel if you use the link below as well. So go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well so that you can see more videos of these. Make sure to hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.